start their own town, but they all have different ideas about how to begin.
Yes, please! Let's stop and think. I think we need a leader.
Who should it be?
Someone who isn't good.
Someone who can run meetings.
Someone who cares about our town.
Yes, you can be our mayor.
If everyone agrees, I'll be mayor.
Okay, let's all vote. If you want Emma to be our mayor, raise your hand.
Thank you. It's an honor. Now let's decide what we need to do first.
Where will we build our town?
As mayor, I declare this spot to be our town hall. We can meet here to plan.
What about stores and places to live, and a bike path?
Julio, would you make a list for us?
Stores.
We need a map. I'll make it.
Put town hall in the middle.
And a big park for people and pets.
Then lots of pumpkin stores.
I'm drawing as fast as I can.
Slow down. What kinds of stores?
A bike store. When we get hungry, we'll eat the handlebars.
You mean candy bars?
Yummy gummy candy bars.
And water bottles for bikes.
We'll need a big store for all kinds of food and things.
Goods. Those things are called goods. I learned that word in school.
Then the consumers, another word for food.
What are consumers? Consumers are buyers. They are people who buy goods, like bikes. I get it. What will our consumers buy goods?
We'll go to our town and store the shelves up from the floor. We'll fill the shelves with many goods, and soon we'll add some more.
I'll be a producer for the goods. I'll sell them.
We need other producers, like farmers.
I'll do that. My farm will have lots of animals. I'll grow corn and beans.
All kinds of food.
A store owner and our farmer depend on each other.
Then we'll grow food for the store to sell. Jewel won't pay her for the goods. Raja, then can buy other goods to do more.
Let's keep planning. How's the map?
Here's Deb's farm and there's Julio's store.
We need streets and roads.
Yes, I'll put them in.
I'll tell you services.
To fix things like cars and bikes. We need doctors and nurses to keep us healthy.
I'll add a hospital to the map.
Let's make a hotel for people who live in our town.
Yes, a hotel for people and pets.
Our hotel will serve pet meals and people meals.
Let's call it the Pets on People Hotel. Will you run the hotel, Raja?
Sure, I'll make a feast for the whole town.
I added a hospital and a hotel. Our town needs other services too.
I'll be a firefighter. That's a service.
Can your masculinity help?
As mayor, I think we need a break. We are doing really well.
Yay! The next day, the group meets in Alma's backyard. Ken has added a hotel, a hospital, and a firehouse to the map.
What's another place for our town? A school with a big playground.
And a big kitchen.
We will build the coolest school with a theater and a pool. Kids will learn to write and read, to help each other when in need. We'll draw a map or write a song, read a script and sing along. Is school a good or a service? A service, but we need someone to give the service.
I'll teach in math school.
You'll make a great teacher.
Thanks.
What's another service we need?
A post office.
Who will give the service?
I'll be our mail carrier. I'll carry mail on my bike. Ken, did you add the post office?
Not yet.
We should all help with the map.
Yes, thanks.
Julio, could you read your list? We'll see if everything is on the map. If something is missing, we'll stay still.
Okay, part 7.
Stop! Where is the add it to the map.
Farm, streets and roads, hotel, hospital, firehouse, school.
Stop!
Where is the school?
I'll draw that. Then I'll add the post office. You don't need to do that.
Soon everyone is done working on the map. They look at it.
We should add a bank.
In a pet store.
And a bakery. And a bakery. What about a name for our town?
Who can name it our town? That's what we call it. Nice idea. Does everyone agree? Raise your hand to vote for our name, our town. Our name is now our town.
If you're happy with the new town, clap your hands. If you're happy with the new town, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy with the new town, clap your